only thing in the car is just dusty. Fingerprints here and there. Wheels are a little dirty. This car stays pretty clean, how it should be. Here, give it a quick wipe down, vacuum, nothing crazy, just doing the maintenance with detail. Alright guys, so I usually work section to section. I do the sides first, the area that's more shaded first, of course, and then I move on to the area that has more sunlight. But since there's no sunlight right now, it's really cloudy out here. Let me show y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and just rinse out the whole car, and then start. Alright guys, I'm gonna get to the door jambs, the trunk, and the hood or front or whatever it is. So in order to get to those, I gotta somewhat turn on the car. And then 2 buttons over here. Get to the engine bay. My blower is out, battery, so I'm just gonna have to do this like this. That's how try to get it all the water off, as much of the water off. Kind of hard to do this with just one hand. All right, guys, I'm trying my best to record this and do it with one hand. Water off. Trying to record and work at the same time is kind of annoying. On regular maintenance, then it should just be dusty. If a car hasn't been kept up with and the jumps have never been cleaned, they could get pretty nasty. Just so you guys can get a good idea, I got this towel right here and some all-purpose cleaner. I'm just basically gonna go ahead and clean everything. Quick wipe down on the seats, center console, dash, doors. Quick wipe down, knocking out the dust. I'm gonna go ahead and do that to the whole car. This is probably the worst area right here, the fingerprints and chewing gum. Sorry, guys. I'm not applying too much pressure, just enough pressure to clean it real good with a brush or something. But other than that, everything else just light pressure, guys. But since I'm only using one hand to record, on to the final step. Got a dry towel right here, and I have my quick detailer. Gonna go around the whole car, remove any water spots, any runs. Guys, Lamborghini is nice and clean, ready for the weekend. I believe tomorrow there's a car show. I think he's taking it out somewhere. Regardless, this car gets washed every week.